Go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're talking about this, I'm guessing this is a 4x4 curly. Y'all don't quote me on this. I'll put everything down in the description bar of the specs of this wig, but I know for a fact that it was a 16-inch wig. Yeah, I mean, I like the wig, guys. It's kind of like the typical wig. I feel like I've been reviewing the same old wigs, but this wig I really do like. It was really soft. It was easy to install. I used the Got To Be spray just to lay this down. It was a quick and easy installment. And I put a little mousse on the hair to kind of get it a little more curlier. But I didn't have to do much to this wig, meaning I didn't have to bleach any knots or anything, because this wig did not even have a lot of knots to bleach. So I used the knot healer and the chocolate to do this. And yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. I have been experiencing just a tad bit of shit. I have been experiencing just a tad bit of shedding, but I have not been getting any tangling right now. But I'm gonna continue to wear the wig to see how it holds up. But overall, I am enjoying wearing this wig. But again, I'm not going to keep you guys for long. If you like this wig and this video of me installing this wig, definitely give this video a thumbs up. And before I jump out of this video, I do encourage you guys to subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell, so every time I come with a new video, you guys would not miss it. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm definitely going to leave everything that I used in this video down in the description bar. And if you guys have any questions, you can definitely leave me a comment in the comment section, and I'll try to answer it to the best of my ability. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.